dancing inside, a spark I thought had long since died. Oh butterflies, they're back and I can't hide. Your voice, it hums like a morning hymn, filling the cracks where the light grows dim. How do you do this? How do you shine so bright? I thought my heart was stone, but now it feels like home.